Hi, this is day 2 of English speaking 90 days challenge. So, today topic is that YouTuber pros. What are your pros to become YouTuber? First pros is becoming YouTuber. When you become YouTuber, you have freedom of speech and freedom of money, freedom of time. Because when you earning on YouTube from YouTube, maximum maximum number of views you have your video on eyeing. I think 50k per videos, 1 lakh per videos, about in 24 hours you can easily earn 1 2 lakh per month, easily earn. Then you, if you have a 1 lakh or 2 lakh per month earning, then you will be everything. So you have freedom, like you have a time freedom, you have a money freedom, financial freedom. When you financial and time freedom, you can enjoy without stress, you can enjoy your life, you can roam anywhere in this world, you can explore. When you one quote is that when you roaming the world, new places, your mind is unlocking a new neurons. When you unlocking new neurons, then you will become, your IQ level is increasing. So financial freedom is very important. First pros is that becoming YouTuber. Second pros to becoming YouTuber is that if you have become YouTuber, then you have to, you have a क्या बोलते हैं उसको, माइंड में आ नहीं रहा. यू हैव यू आल्सो बिकम इन्फ्लुएंसर, you have become so popular to around us, या so many people you know better. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, जो आपकी जो पहचान बहुत लोग हर जगह हो जाता है, लोग आपको जानने लगते हैं. ये फ़ायदा है यूट्यूबर बनने का, बहुत लोग जान जाते हैं, फ़ैन हो जाते हैं आपके. आप जब वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट देते हैं तो बहुत लोग आपको जान जाते हैं. सो पॉइंट इज़ दैट. Second, third approach is that if you become a YouTuber, if you are interested to making video, then you will be definitely to become YouTuber. Because then when you follow our passion, then you have to in very happy in life. You have to do anything with enjoying, because life is a struggle. Full life is a struggle. Full life till struggle. Till until unless when life is here present, life is full struggle. Then life is, we can say that life is a journey. So enjoy journey, and success automatically come. Success is byproduct. When you enjoy your journey, then success doesn't matter. सक्सेस आए या ना आए, अगर आप जर्नी को एंजॉय करते हैं तो सक्सेस एक दिन ज़रूर मिलता है आपको. वो कहा था ना को, पैसा बाई प्रोडक्ट है. काम करो, किसी के लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड करो, ऐसा काम करो जिस जहाँ से पैसे आ सकें. बेहतर काम करो, वो काम को ऑटोमेटिकली पैसे वहाँ से आना शुरू हो जाएगा. मनी इज़ ए बाई प्रोडक्ट, मेन प्रोडक्ट इज़ वर्क. आप किसी के लाइफ में कितना अच्छा वैल्यू ऐड कर रहे हो. वो एक कोड नहीं है, आविष्कार ही समस्या ही आविष्कार की जननी है, आपने सुना होगा. तो मैं रास्ते से भटक रहा हूँ, सो आई कैन कंसंट्रेट ऑन आवर टॉपिक. सो माय टॉपिक वाज दैट pros to becoming YouTuber. So becoming YouTuber, so many pros when you become YouTuber. so many things you have to achieved, so many popularity on social media. You can then when you popular on social media, then you have to people know about you. Who are you, how, who can do, who who all who all can do everything. People are knowing you well, well settle. Then you have to well settle, so any brand can sponsor you. Then you can promote their brands. Then earning money from earn money to improve our life. There is so many pros here to becoming YouTuber. My goal is that to become a YouTuber and become a valuable person in our life. I have so many dreams to become a YouTuber, to become valuable person in our life. I want to contribute in this country, so people know me who I am. Main is reason in that I'm living on this earth. I will contribute. I am contributing something. So I am contributing something on this earth. So I am here to express my real potential. So you can support me and support this journey, because life is a journey, not success, not a struggle. Life is journey, depend on you. How how tolerate you life, then life tolerate you. What I am speaking, I doesn't know. Dog is breaking out there, so that calm is doing, my work is doing here. So you can see here, you can watch here, sorry, you can watch here. Then becoming YouTuber, what is your pros? When you become YouTuber, so you can do many things here. You live very happy. People know money is coming, your presence on social media. If you have any problem, you can raise a voice on social media. One more things I will tell you, I want to tell you. When you become so popular on social media, to become more followed person on social media, YouTuber, Instagram, Facebook, मतलब anything, जितने भी social media है, so everyone is knowing you. If you have any problem on our earth, so you can raise voice. Because in this country, in India, politics is many things is doing. Corruption is full corruption of in this country. Corruption is everywhere. Every politician, almost every politician is corrupted, rapist and criminal are is भरे पड़े हैं पॉलिटिक्स में, भरे पड़े हैं. सो इफ़ यू बिकम्ड followed, most followed person on social media, if something follower come almost lakh millions, 10 lakh crore, then you automatically raise your voice. Politician afraid from you, because you have a platform. You have so many people in one platform. You can if you have any person, any politician, any person, if you any person attack on you, then you can speak on them. You can raise our voice. You can stand with you. You can stand on your family, on your village. You can automatically show your problem on social media. Then people automatically support you if you have right. One quote I listen on social media, that was Samay Raina quote. When fight is fair, when fight is fair, you can fight. When fight is not fair, you will fuck up from there. I'm not expressing a right quote. When you when is fight is fair, when fight is fair, fight is fair, you can fight. When fight is not fair, you will fuck up from there. This is the right quote. Same things. So becoming popular is benefit, so many benefits, so many beneficial to becoming पॉपुलर सोशल मीडिया. मैं तो कहता हूँ सबको सोशल मीडिया पे फॉलोअर अपना इकट्ठा करके रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि कुछ भी होता है आपके साथ गलत तो आप अपना वॉइस अपने साथ खड़े हो सकते हो, लोगों के सामने अपनी बात रख सकते हो, अपना वॉइस रख सकते हो, अपना वॉइस उठा सकते हो, अपना मुद्दा उठा सकते हो. आपके साथ कुछ भी गलत हो रहा है, आपके फैमिली के साथ, अपने गांव वाले के साथ, आपके साथ कहीं भी हो तो आप उठा सकते हो. कोई भी मनमानी आपके साथ नहीं कर सकता. दिस इज़ रियल पावर ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. दिस इज़ अ रियल पावर ऑफ यू हैव टू बिकमिंग यूट्यूबर, टू बिकमिंग इन्फ्लुएंसर, टू बिकमिंग मोर फॉलोअर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, ऑन सोशल मीडिया. दिस इज मेन पावर इज़ दैट. ओके, सो my dream is that to becoming a valuable person and to becoming more powerful in every aspect. I want to be expert in every aspect in our life. So in this year I will achieve so many goals. I have so many goals in this year. I will definitely achieve. I am achieving this goal right now. I am achieving this goal. First is goal that more followers on social media, something presence on social media. I want to become me a social media influencer, YouTuber, valuable YouTuber, not like that. Something is that. So or one, then second goal is that one bike of ending this year. One bike I have, EMI or cash, anyhow I have one bike, MT-15 या other powerful bike. I have bike. Then second, third goal is that phone. One phone I have, but one phone I need you. I need one more phone. One phone already I have already one phone, but I need another phone. I need other phone, two phone. Basically I need two phones. One phone is personal, second phone is for business purpose. Third goal. Fourth goal is that I want to open my social media and see. I want to start up, because first startup was my failed. I when I start my first startup, then he was failed. That was failed because of my mistake. Because I am that time in 12th. So many pressures. I have no time to give on my startup. So वो कहावत है ना घर करा ना घाट करा. मैं दोनों जगह पे टाइम नहीं दे पाया. दो नाव पे चढ़ना यानी कि गांड फाड़ के मरना, मिर्ज़ापुर में डायलॉग है. तो दो नाव पे मैं चढ़ा था, अभी भी हूँ. वही काम सेम अभी भी कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेंटेन करके कर रहा हूँ. उस समय क्या था, सारी फोकस सोशल मीडिया पे लगा दिया था, पढ़ाई कर ही नहीं रहा था. दैट वाज रियली वेरी बैड. दैट वाज रियली वेरी बैड यार. मेरा परसेंटेज भी डाउन हुआ, सब कुछ डाउन हुआ. सो इग्नोर इट. But in this year I will achieve many things yaar. This is life goal and personal goal, so many things. And college goal, I want to become software engineer, and that's a real problem solve engineer, because engineer is that who is solving problem that is called real engineer. So I'm becoming real engineering. So you can follow me to see our life journey, because life is a journey. Life is nothing, life is journey. And academic goal is learning in first year DSA, solving problems, coding language, programming language, and so many things are my goal. First year learning DSA, learning programming, and learning क्या learning theoretical subject like math, chemistry, physics, electrical, electoral, पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं, electoral, that was electoral. So academic, theoretical, and practical चीज़. One more things I want to tell you. I want to more focus on real practical things, because theoretical things is not impact on your life, but practical things, practical skill, so many impact on your life. So I want to really focus on practical skill, practical knowledge, not any other than Gisapita knowledge, theoretical knowledge. So this is in day 2 of English speaking practice. You can see continuous on 90 days to speaking English speaking practice. When you are not available, then those day I will not uploading video. But जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं वाला मोटिवेशन मेरे अंदर है. I have that वाला motivation. So you can support me or not support me, doesn't matter, but I want improve my communication skill, English speaking skill, and social skill also, and so many things, and confidence, everything. I have a full confidence, but many front of people I am not confident. Confident is what? Confident is nothing. Confidence is doing what you doing daily. When you any work not do before, so you have not confidence to do that work. So if you work daily that work that was not confident in that work is doing daily, then you will be automatically continuously developing confidence, building confidence. So confidence is here. When I remember when I record, and when I was record my first video on camera, I was very nervous. I was very anxiety. I am not speaking very well on camera, like that, like this. I am not presenting ourselves on camera like this. That time I was very scared. I was very unconfident. I was very scared. I was very unconfident. I was very anxiety, depression. Everything I will have that time. I was have that time. But now is this no any regret, no any anxiety, no any depression on camera, because I am doing this things in many years. Many times I will speak on camera. I was speak on camera. So I have a full confidence. Confidence is that. Confidence in nothing. So today's topic ending. So see you tomorrow in day 3. So I will definitely speak. My follower increasing or not increasing doesn't matter. But this is video uploading 90 days continuously, consistency. अब consistency बोलेगा भाई रुक जा रुक जा